Ayun na ras, lumabas na.
Hello, now in Cavite, climbing Mount Marami. I haven't been here in a long time, so 7 years. Nong was here a couple of months ago, and we're pretty much excited. Maragondon, Cavite is very rich in history. During the war, soldiers were camping here, using the mountain as a lookout. So this was during the Spanish time. So a lot of history here, a lot of old houses and museums too. We try to avoid this place when it's raining because it's really muddy. But now it's dry, and we're excited to be back since it just also opened. So it was on lockdown for so many months. Okay guys, there's not much running today. It's my turn to be injured. The story is I was running yesterday and then a bike hit me so hard. So hard I had to walk after, but I didn't know it's gonna get worse today. So I did try to run earlier in this trip, and it was so terrible, especially going downhill. So I'm just doing the best I can to finish this, and I don't know what's gonna happen later going down, but I'm still pumped, you know, even though with all the pain. I'm still energized to go up. Just have to be careful, do it slowly. Hopefully I heal enough for next week's trip, because next week's trip is quite a long one. So yeah.
I think that's Mount Marami. We're going there. It's I think it's, what time is it? 9 a.m. Weather's great, sun's great, the sky's clear. If you look closer, it looks like a mushroom. But the stone formation is really good. Good pace. We're taking it slow today. We're thinking about where we'll eat later. Yeah, but yeah, it's my first time here.
True.
South part of Metro Manila. Hope you guys also enjoy this video.
Okay, you guys should know which mountain this is. It's the famous Pico del Oro. Even though it's been closed for 5 years now, and we've been itching to go back. But the sad part is, if you see this, like a serpent trail, that's actually a quarry. Makes you wonder.
This is the view from up here. Look at that. And then that's Simon sitting at the edge of the precipice. Precipice.
Sorry for himself. Indulging in the waves.
And then that's Pico, Mount Pico de Loro. That's what they said. There you go.
Finally made it to the summit of Mount Marami. Everyone's here. We took it slow. Like I said, I was injured. But it's nice actually to take it slow once in a while. It's a blessing in disguise. We get to talk more. We get to cover a lot of topics as a group. You know, some of them were like talking about animes and robots and stuff.
Galaxies.
And galaxies colliding and all that, supernova. For us, me and Claire and some others, we talk about random stuff, like personal stuff, our adventures, family. It's good stuff. I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind, you know, as long as we're out here, whether we're just walking or just sitting down. It's nice that you can cherish every second, every moment, right? Look what she's doing. She's like
Because I'm scared of heights.
crawling.
It's so high. You have to switch the camera. Look at the other side. Look at the other side. It's nice. Hola, so we have fully exhausted Mount Marami on top. Simon here is injured, so I'm gonna try to take over the videoing. It's not me, so pardon it. So yeah, so far we're on our way down. So we've been on an 8-kilometer hike up. We're now going down back to summit in
Marami.
of Mount Marami here in Magallanes, Cavite.
Maragondon actually.
Okay,
Close enough.
It said kasi
Close enough.
Magallanes.
It's
Yeah.
past the town. Yeah.
Yep. So there we go. It's been a good day. It's really sunny on top. It's what time is it?
11.
It's 11. So far we have a lot of time within the day. So once we go down, siguro we'll just do a quick shower and then we'll just find someplace else to eat. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video and have a great Sunday.
Groovy.